Hi friends, and welcome back to part 4 of our engineering design method template series. Today we will complete the create portion of our engineering design method template so that you can follow along at home and complete your template alongside of mine. You'll know you have it when you know what you should include in your create section, as well as how to figure it out, You'll know you have it when you can complete the create section on your own and know what is supposed to be in that field. So let's get started. For class today, you will need your already partially completed engineering design method template. So for our create section, we've already completed the top of our form, which we need to make sure we fill out at every single time we do the form. We already asked our question, we imagined, and we planned. So now how does this all happen? This box is where we will talk about the process in which everything is made and the step-by-step instructions. We have our materials in our plan box, we have our questions that we're asking in our first box. So we will cover the create section when we were talking about our instruments in class, and that's when we will talk about specifically how the instrument is made. So that video will be super important for our create box. So we are talking about a guitar, so I already completed our create section, and this is how a guitar is made. So there is this awesome thing called book matching, which is when you create wood half as thick as it is wide. So if the piece of wood is this wide, it is actually this thick. And that's how the body of a guitar is made. Then we mold the wood to create a guitar body. So then the wood is bent and pressed using machinery so that it can create the typical body of a guitar. Then we attach the neck, which is one piece of hardwood, and we add the tuning machine box on top, put the strings through the tuning machine box, and tune the strings to the notes that you would like. So in looking at our picture of a guitar, let's talk this process out. So first we do book matching. So that's when we get the piece of wood that is wide and half as thick as it is wide to create the wood that we need for the body of our guitar. Then we mold it into our typical guitar body shape. Then we attach one long piece of hardwood to create the neck of our guitar. Then we add our tuning box up top, which is already pre-made for us. And then we add our strings through the tuning box. Notice how it's through the tuning box up here. And we put our strings all the way through. And then we created our guitar. And now that our guitar is created, we can tune the strings to whatever pitch that we would like. So now make sure we stay tuned so that we can see how to figure out how to complete the experiment portion of our engineering design method template.